Just stop doing this and you will stop losing your money. When I started trading, I always wonder how these people are doing it. When I was studying trading, I learned most of the time from my own mistakes. And because I started to help people who wants to learn trading, and I find out these four mistakes they do most of the time. So let's look at the first mistake they do. First mistake you do is that you always switch strategy. And let me explain why this is wrong. Imagine you are trying to get profitable. You are going step by step, but before you get there, you switch strategy. And this is when you reset your position. This is the reason you are stuck. And when you start to lose with your strategy, the last thing you should do is to quit. But otherwise, what you should do to get profitable, you have to start looking for where I made the mistake, and when you find it, you know what not to trade next time. Now you know that you must stick up to one strategy. Just make sure you watch till the end, because last one is the most important. Now let's take a look on second one. The second mistake is that you trade on different trading sessions. Trading day is divided into 3 trading sessions. It's divided into London, New York and Asia, but it's not as much important as volume in this trading session. In this red timeline is high volume. That means there are faster and bigger movements than in blue line, where is market quiet and have smaller movements. And it's actually about preference, but it's up to you what you choose. Now let's take a look at the most common mistake. It is a revenge trading. Basically you lose and you want this lose to get back. And this is when most of you open that position, which leads to you to lose your money. So be sure you have stop loss count to not make this mistake. Now let's move on to the most important mistake you do. The most important mistake is that you have bad risk and money management. My advice for this mistake is that you have to set up a risk management to gain more and risk less. So for example, if you want to make $500, it's bullshit to risk 500, okay? Optimal risk for this gain is $50. But this video is just informative. But how to make this a risk management and how to find best time to trade for me, don't worry, just make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss video about it.